Hello sweethearts, welcome back to my channel and to this video where we are going to talk about, the Glossy Box and the Glossy Box and the Lookfantastic boxes of June. I'm so sorry that this is coming up at the end of June, but I have no planning. I don't know what's going on. When you're seeing this, I'm actually on my vacations. I am in US having hopefully a blast. I'm pre-filming a bit, I'm editing a bit, and yeah, this is when I got to the June boxes. I do get Lookfantastic and Glossybox sent to me as PR, but these videos are not sponsored. I don't have to do anything with these boxes unless I want to, and since I now at least have for like 2 months, 3 months, I don't even remember, I've gotten both of the boxes, I thought like a battle of the boxes could be a fun thing to do. This is the Swedish Glossy Box, and then the Lookfantastic box, if I have my information correctly, this is the same box throughout the entire world. I might be wrong, I think so. I do have some, I think I have a code with Glossybox, it's not affiliated. I will put some info down below that you can check out if you want to. Is that all I wanted to say? I'll try and put the prices as well because I don't know the prices on the top of my head. Glossybox is pretty affordable in Sweden as well. Let's start with Glossybox. This is Glossybox June. You get a magazine with Glossybox in Sweden. Glossybox is a Swedish-German company, but it is owned by the same parent company as Lookfantastic. So at the end of the line, they're both owned by the same company. This is the Glossybox magazine for June. The front of this is Ida Warg. Ida Warg is a very famous Swedish influencer. I do not follow her, but that is nothing against her. I just pretty much don't watch any Swedish influencers. She just recently came out with a brand of sunless tanners, like self-tanners, and they are very, very popular in Sweden. And when I run out of my tanner, I think I'm gonna try hers because people say it's actually really, really good. And that is interesting. I do love, I even have some tanner on right now. I didn't leave it on for too long just to get a hint of something. The box is very pretty and like aqua. And then it's a little tie and it says sensational summer. Sol, sand och salta bad. Vi välkomnar årets varmaste årstid med ett extra that's not it. Med ett maxat beauty kit. I cannot read, not even in Swedish. Du får bland annat en skimrande highlighterpalett med 5 nyanser. Oh! Så får det att stråla som solen och en mjukgörande body scrub som preppar din hud för playan. Get set for a sensational summer. This made no sense at all if you do not understand Swedish, and I'm sorry. Sun, sand and salty baths. We welcome the warmest season of this year with a maxed out beauty kit. You will, amongst others, get a shimmering highlighter palette with 5 nuances. That's what I said by like, oh really? And that makes you beam like the sun, and a moisturizing body scrub that will prep your skin for the beach. I'm excited. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, so this is what she looks like. This is what she looks like. Oh, it's the sleek palette. This is the highlighter palette we got. I'm not even going to open this one. It is basically a highlighter palette with 5 iridescent duochrome highlighter shades. I have mentioned this palette as a flop. I don't like this palette. I don't think this is good quality. This is not the same highlighter formula or the same highlighter quality as the other sleek highlighter palettes. This also has 3 creams. Lord knows why. In theory, this is such a nice thing, like a duochrome highlighter palette with colored highlighters from the drugstore. In theory, this is great. In actual reality, this isn't a good product. I am gonna give this to someone else. Maybe they like it. I don't. I don't like this product. But I mean, it's nice to get a full-size highlighter palette. It's just a shame that it's a bad one. Hashtag sorry, not sorry. This is Labello 24-hour melted moisture. I like this brand. I don't know if this is Swedish. Is this Swedish? Is this Swedish? I don't think it is, but this is a very famous like lip balm brand here in Sweden. Apparently this is with peach shine with natural oils. I love me a good lip balm. I use lip balms every day. I have 1 or 2 in every purse. Ooh, this seems to have a bit of color. Oh my god! This doesn't smell like peach. This isn't the Too Faced peach smell. This smells like actual peaches. This is not, oh, I am excited. This is like $2, $3 at the most. So this is a very affordable thing, but it is a nice thing and I am gonna use it and it smelled adorable. So I don't think it's a bad thing. I don't think it's a bad thing, but it's not it's a drugstore thing to glorify it as a drugstore thing. This is the body scrub. Gommage. Is it like glass one? It looks like a marmalade. If I put this in the fridge, Ricardo's gonna put this on toast and he's gonna be like, that new marmalade, it's a bit funky. Rose lychee. Okay, made in France. Oh, that smells nice. It looks like this. Looks a bit like a boob, but that's okay. Smells really fresh. Like a fruity rose, which is what it is. Einstein. I'm right here. I like this. This could be interesting. I just put some tanner on, so maybe not right now, but maybe when I'm trying to take it off. Okay, so this is from her brand, the gal. Ida Varg. This is a product from her line, and this is, I mean, obviously not a full size. This is a dry shimmer oil. I am probably bringing this to my vacation, just so you know. Because I'm going in 2 days when I'm filming this, but when you're seeing this, I'm already there. This is a dry shimmer oil, 100% vegan, summer scented. I don't know what kind of summer she's experiencing, but we do not have the same. Holy f***, that smells so disgusting. Oh my god, that is the worst. Oh my god, what is this smell? It literally smells like fish guts. Oh my god, why am I what? Oh my god, I literally got a bit sick. What is this supposed to smell like? Maybe this is summer in like a fishing village where the fishes are laying in the sun rotting? What is this smell? Not bringing this to my vacations. Changed my mind. What is that smell? What kind of summer did she have when she was growing up? Because we do not have... Oh my god, that was... Maybe mine's gone bad. I don't think it's supposed to smell like rotting fish. This is a whitening mouth rinse from Brilliant Smile. Whitening mouth... That doesn't sound like something that's good for you. Do not swallow. No shit. I don't think I'm gonna be using that one. This was a weird box. This was a weird... That smell will haunt me. That smell will haunt... Oh my god, that was so bad. Okay, that was... a choice. That smell was a choice. Okay, let's put that box to the side and let's see what's in the Lookfantastic one. The Glossy Box has 5 products and the Lookfantastic one has 6 products, if I'm not mistaken. And there is a little beauty thing here as well, and this also has a very special smell. It's like spices and soap mixed. I don't know what that says about anything, but let's open this one up and see. There is also an L that comes with this, but I already read it and it's here somewhere. When you order the Lookfantastic box, you get the UKL with your box. But I already took mine out because I've already read it, so just trust me when I say that it was an L with this, but I took it out. Okay, so this is the soap that's smelling. It's called Pure Greek Olive. Yeah, this smells like your grandmother's soap. If that is a smell that you're into, maybe that is... What am I gonna do with this? Do you use soaps like this? In Sweden, one does not simply use a soap bar like this. We do not use soap bars at all. Not in the kitchen, not in the bathroom, not to wash your hands, not in any way, shape. I don't know anyone that uses a soap bar unless they're like hardcore Lush fans. And to be fair, I don't know many people like that either, but who uses a soap like this? I won't be using this. That smell is also a choice. It's also a choice. Ooh, this is very small though. But this is the Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray Salt Spray. This is a great product though. This one I will bring traveling, because I like this product a lot, and I'm actually super excited to get a small one like this because it's going to be really easy to take traveling, but it's very small. It's very small. And then we have Eco King. I don't like... What is going on with these boxes this month? Okay, E-Cooking, that's what it's called. E-Cooking, this is a peeling mask, and this is made in Denmark. This says on the label, no panic if skin turns red, it works. Add moisturizer after. Bullshit. It is not good if your skin turns red. Honestly, it's not good. I think, and this is probably an unpopular opinion, I don't think that skincare should irritate your skin at all. If it does, try something else. And also I think that our generation right now with skincare, we're using too much acids on our skin, and it's not good. It's not good. I know that there's gonna be some people right now, keyboard warriors, down in the comments telling me I'm wrong, and that's okay, but this is my personal opinion. I don't have a sensitive skin though, so if my skin turns red, that's when I know that this product is too harsh. So I don't know if I'm gonna be trying this, but there's also like gooey. Do you see this thread? Oh my god, this smells like glue. Oh no. Oh, what is going on? This looks like semen mixed with glue, and it smells like that as well. Is this glue? Oh my god, I got it on my fingers. Ew, get it off me. Not using that. Not doing that. Okay. These seems definitely... What's up with the mini package? Okay, this is a BioEffect serum for improved appearance of skin. You have 1.5 use in this. Apply to face. That's all the instructions they could fit on this bottle. And then it's Filorga. This one. Was this the same? No, it's BioEffect and Filorga. That's how we will say it in Sweden. Lift Structure Ultra Lifting Cream. How are you supposed to use this? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look in the booklet. And then it's Laboratoire Dermalogique. How is my French? This is Irritated Eyelids Anti-Itching Soothing Cream. That's a very specific use for cream. I never have that problem. Ever. Never had that problem. Not really sure. Okay, this one. Calm and soothe sensitive and itchy eyes with this gentle treatment for dry and easily irritated skin. Maybe this is awesome. Maybe this is something that a lot of people like. I don't... Okay, so this is basically an eye cream for really sensitive and itchy eyes. Apparently 15 pounds, and then this one is about 11 pounds. Due to its concentration of AHAs, this mask should tingle upon application. No. Small amount goes a long way. What it better with this size. Oh, this seems to be very expensive though, because this small bottle is 25 pounds. Although, let's be honest, this could contain more than you see here, so I shouldn't be too harsh. Give skin a new lease of life with a serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand Bioeffect. Oh, Icelandic. You know, in Iceland they do really good skincare, so that makes me actually be like, anti-agement treatment, fine lines, Okay. This mask? Smooth 2 to 4 drops over clean dry skin, face and neck, patting gently until fully absorbed. I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay, this is the Bumble and Bumble. This small one is only $2.40. Bumble and Bumble is like a mid-range brand, and of course this comes in a bigger bottle. And then it's this soap. This is about $5. I mean, if you use soap like this, sure. I don't. And then it's a expect visibly tighter and plumper skin with restored firmness in just 7 days. Okay. Is this gonna last me 7 days though? I'm not sure. Maybe they should give you a sample so that you at least could use it for those 7 days and actually see the result that they're promising, because I don't think that you'll be able to do this with this box or with this sample. Let me see what's said about these products in the Glossy Box. Where's the card? Oh, here it is. The sleek one is about what is this, like $15 maybe, something like that. And then this scrub, which might be the most interesting thing in this one, this is about $13 for 50 gram. What is this then? This is 50 gram. Okay, so this seems to be a full size, or maybe it comes in a bigger size as well, but this was $15. And this is about $10 for 100 milliliters, and this one is also a full size. And yeah, and then it's this one, and it's like, yeah, $1, $2, $3, and this is obviously a full size. And then it's the shimmer oil. Give your skin a sun-kissed shimmer and a smell of hot summer nights. I do not want to be part of those summer nights. And this big bottle is about $20, and that is 100 milliliters, so as big as this one. So obviously this is just a deluxe sample. But I think that this is enough to be able to sample it, because you don't need a lot of this to just put on your legs a couple of times and see if it's something that you want to use. Although this smell, I can't get over how bad this smell is. Something has to have happened with mine, because I don't think it's supposed to smell like fish shop on a hot summer day. Maybe that's the summer memories you have. For me, no. So what do I think of these boxes? I don't like either of these two boxes. I think that the items that I'm going to be using is the lip balm, the scrub, and this saltwater spray. I'm probably going to be using both of these as well, because I like getting small things like this to bring traveling. But I don't think that any of the like big ticket items in these boxes, like this mask and this palette, I don't think that any of those are like really good. Same as this whitening mouthwash. I'm a bit skeptical. And usually I like sampling new things, but there are a couple of these things that I'm not even gonna try. So yeah, that is my opinion about this. Let me know if you are subscribing to any of these boxes, what you think about them, and let me know if you have Glossybox in your country, what you got in your Glossybox this month, because the Glossybox content does vary a bit from country to country. But yeah, that's gonna be everything for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to be subscribed, please do. I upload 5 to 6 videos a week. This is a bonus video. I usually do not upload on Wednesdays, but here we are, and I will see you tomorrow for a new video. Bye!